Africa's economic growth has been on a positive trajectory, but if you thought it's the continent's largest economies, Nigeria, South Africa and Kenya, driving this growth, you may want to think again. Instead, it is the economic underdogs that are driving the continent forward.
In West Africa, one could argue that yes, Nigeria is still growing at very robust levels. We saw growth in 2013 surprise on the upside when they rebased their figures of growth levels of above 7.4%, and we expect growth to still remain robust, albeit marginally lower in 2014. So that in itself has obviously been a very positive factor for the regional economy.
But other players in the region are also doing their parts.
Some of the smaller economies in West Africa have seen exceptionally high levels of growth. So we've seen a rebound of performance in Cote d'Ivoire. We're seeing Sierra Leone emerge as a large exporter of iron ore and attract new levels of private investment. And we're seeing that spillover actually come across the whole region.
And when we move east,
yes, Kenya is still a force to be reckoned with. It's obviously one of the most, it has the largest middle income in terms of that region relative to the size of its proportion. It is attracting large amounts of industrial investment with fast-moving consumer good industries looking to invest in Kenya as a springboard into the rest of the region. And through the integration under the East African community, that is serving it very well. But that's not to say it's the fastest growing region in that economy. Actually, Tanzania is growing at a faster pace.
Interestingly enough, in Southern Africa, the largest economy is slowing down growth.
In Southern Africa, the performance is very diverse, and actually in Southern Africa, the growth is being weighed down by South Africa, barely growing at 2% per annum this year. The rest of the region does have a number of emerging giants, though, and in our view, those who are likely to see protracted and high levels of growth moving forward will be the likes of, in a belt, Mozambique, Zambia, Angola, and north of that, DRC.
While global economists and analysts seem to agree that Africa is moving in the right direction, but the continent still has a long way to go in dealing with its high public debt and improving investor confidence in sectors such as tourism and mining. Ntokozo Khumalo, Johannesburg.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com